Myself Sanjay HM. Today topic about problems on single stage impulse type of turbine. Here in a Delaval turbine, steam flows from a nozzle with velocity of 1200 meter per second. The nozzle angle is 20 degree. The mean blade speed is 400 meter per second and inlet and outlet angles of blades are equal. The mass of steam flowing through the turbine is 1000 kg per hour. Calculate blade angle at inlet and outlet, relative velocity of steam entering the blades, tangential force on the blades, power developed and blade efficiency, axial thrust. Take blade velocity coefficient as 0.8. Yes, in this given data from the numerical, we clearly mention there is a Delaval type of turbine and the nozzle with velocity of 1200 meter per second, that is V1 is equal to 1200 meter per second. Absolute velocity of the fluid impinges the blades through the nozzle, that is absolute velocity is 1200 meter per second, and the nozzle angle is given alpha 1 is equal to 20 degree. The nozzle angle is 20 degree. The mean blade speed is 400 meter per second, that is u value. Please here we consider the mean blade speed is 400 meter per second and inlet and outlet angles of blades are equal. The blade angles that we consider beta 1 is equal to beta 2 at inlet and the outlet blade angles are equal. The mass of this steam flowing through the turbine is 1000 kg per hour, that is m value 1000 kg per hour. You have to convert that into meter per second, means kg per second, that is 60 into 60. And one more data, that is you have to find out the blade angles, that is beta 1 and beta 2, you have to find out, and relative velocity VR1 you have to find out at inlet, relative velocity of the steam entering the blades, and C tangential force, and the C tangential force on the blades is FT, tangential force you have to find out, and the D the power developed and blade efficiency. Power developed is P and blade efficiency, and the last one E axial thrust FA, and given data, that is CB is equal to 0.8, means VR2 divided by VR1. These are the given datas. Delaval type of turbine, the steam flows from a nozzle with a velocity of 1200 meter per second. The nozzle angle is 20 degree. The mean blade speed is 400 meter per second, means V1 1200 meter per second, alpha 1 is 20 degree and u is equal to 400 meter per second. The blade angle beta 1 is equal to beta 2. The mass 1000 kg per hour, convert that into kg per second, that is 1000 divided by 60 into 60 in kg per second, and find out the blade angles at the inlet and the outlet, and the relative velocity at the inlet, and the tangential force, and the power, and the blade efficiency, and the axial thrust, and CB value is given, that is 0.8. CB means VR2 divided by VR1. Yes. Move on to the velocity triangle as per the given data. First take on the scale, that is scale is equal to 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter per second. First, from the given data, we know that V1 is 1200 meter per second, means 12 centimeter, and U value, that is 400 meter per second, means we consider 4 centimeter. Yes, we take the distance of V1. Before that is U value. U value is 400 meter per second, means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter per second. We consider means 4 centimeter is U value. U is equal to 400 meter per second or 4 centimeter, and alpha 1 value, we know that alpha 1 is equal to 20 degree. Take the reference line, angle of 20 degree, reference line 20 degree, alpha 1 is equal to 20 degree, and we know that V1 value, V1 is 1200 meter per second. In the graphical method, it's the 12 centimeter. Either we can compress 1 centimeter to 50 meter per second, either 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter per second. This is the V1 value. V1 value and alpha 1, and from this end point join and find out VR1 and also with respect to that one VM1. First construct means U value, that is 4 centimeter, then V1 value 12 centimeter, that is 1200 meter per second, and alpha 1 is 20 degree. These are the given data as per the scale or the inlet velocity triangle. Then find out, these are the values. One VU1, this one VM1, and this one beta 1. Yes, from the graph, VR1 value, from the graph VR1 is 8 centimeter. Yes, from graph VR1 is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means in terms in the meter per second, that is scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter per second, it is 800 meter per second. And beta 1 equal to 30 degree. Beta 1 is equal to 30 degree. Then VM1 is 4.1. VM1 is equal to 4.1 centimeter, means 410 meter per second. Then VU1 equal to 10.8 10.8 centimeter means it is 1080 meter per second. This one inlet velocity triangle. Also we know the formula. That is CB is equal to VR2 divided by VR1, and VR1 value we know that it is 800 meter per second, and also CB is equal to 0.8 VR2 divided by VR1. VR1 is 800 meter per second, then VR2 is, in the calculator you have to find out VR2 value for construction of velocity triangle V2. Then here we got VR1 and V1, beta 1 and beta 2, and the VM1 value is 410 meter per second, and VU1 value 1080 meter per second, and VR2 value is 640 meter per second from the calculation part. Then we move on to the outlet velocity triangle beta 1 and the beta 2. Beta 2 we know that there is equiangular, clearly mentioned. It is beta 1 is equal to beta 2, that is 30 degree, and VR2 is 640. So with the velocity triangle is VR2 is 640. Before that angle is beta 1 beta 2 is equal to 30 degree. Take the reference line from this point. Beta 1 is equal to beta 2. Beta 1 is equal to beta 2. Then you have to find out the VM2 and VU2. And VR2 is 640 means 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter is the VR2 value. VR2. Then join this one from this point to here and find out V2 value, and also this is V2, and also VM2, and also VU2. This is the impulse type of single stage turbine. With the help of the given data, the velocity triangle, and also find out the angle from the graph. It is alpha 2 is equal to 60 degree. Alpha 2 is equal to 60 degree from the graph, and V2 is 3.5 centimeter. In the scale it is 350 meter per second. The scale we consider 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter per second. Then VM2 is 3.2. VM2 is 3.2 centimeter, that is 320 meter per second, and VU2 1.7 centimeter. VU2 1.7 centimeter or 170 meter per second. Got all the values, that is V1, VR1, VM1, U value alpha 1 and alpha 2, beta 1 and beta 2, VR2, V2, VM2 and VU2 value from the velocity triangle. Then find out, here beta 1, beta 2 is over and VR1 is over. Then find out Ft, power and axial force. From we consider Ft is equal to, now the formula, that is m into Vu1 plus Vu2, substitute the values, that is m is 1000 kg per hour, means in terms of kg per second, 60 into 60, and Vu1 is 1020 plus 170 and Ft value that equal to 358.33 Newton from the calculation part. And also find out power is m into U into Vu1 plus Vu2, because we consider in the impulse steam type of turbine, that is U value is equal to U1 U is equal to U2, as P is equal to m is 1000 divided by 60 into 60 into 400 is U value 1120 plus 170 Vu2. This P value is, consider, that is in terms of kilowatt, 143.3 kilowatt is the P value. The same way you have to find out axial force, that is m into Vm1 minus Vm2. M value is 1000, 60 into 60. Vm1 is 420 minus 340. From the calculation part, Fa is equal to 22.22 Newton axial force. And also you have to find out blade efficiency. You know the formula, blade efficiency is equal to E divided by V1 square by 2. E means, you know the formula, that is U into Vu1 plus Vu2 divided by V1 square by 2. We know all the values. It is blade efficiency is equal to 400 into 1120 plus 170 divided by 1200 whole square divided by 2. This blade efficiency is equal to 71.667% from the calculation part. This is the single stage velocity triangle. This is the blade efficiency. Thank you.